Everybody greeting from Marvin from Home Tech. Today I introduce the soil order introduce. Soil sensors introduced. First, this is that is the soil sensor transmitter, and you can check it. Here is the host, and that is the with the screen, and here is the power switch, and you just power on it, then it will show the real-time date, and 1 it means the sensor 1, and you can check there are 3 sensors. We integrated 3 soil sensors, and each sensor is a monitor temperature, EC, salinity, NPK, pH, and we also marked the number in the soil sensor. That is 2 and 1, 3, and also that is a separate, that is 4 separate soil pH, and so you can check it. Here we will show the first number of the sensor, and that is the pH, and that is voltage rate, and that is the number 1 soil sensor, and it will show number 2 and also the number 3. It will show by twin by twin. Okay, and that is the sensor. And for this part, you can check it. It is the 4 wires, and the 4 wires are the that is the brown one is positive power supply, the black is negative power supply, and here is the RSA, and that is the RS45B. So we also resolved the RS output with the Modbus probe, so and you can test it directly. And for this sensor, for this part, that is the data logger, which the date can be stored in Excel tab in this U disk. So when you that is all of the real-time data stored here, and you can download the data to your PC and by the USB data logger is okay. And so power on, then the data will store it directly. Okay, that is the introduce of the 3 ports, and that is the switch. It supports the chargeable battery, and so when you power on, that is the power. When you power on it, then it will charge the battery directly. Okay, and that is the introduce of the this system. And also this is the same. This is the same with that one. Also you can check it. Here is for the power supply and RS45 output, and here there are 4 sensors, and 3 pieces are the soil 18-in-1 sensor, and number 1, number 2, number 3, and this one is the number 4 pH sensor. And also here is a click. You just click it, then it will be switched, and also it will show the real-time date according to the twin. Okay, that is the same with that one. And that is the 3rd sensor. For the 3rd sensor, it is no screen. You can check it. There is no screen. And here are also 3 parts. The first that is RS45 output, also with the power supply. And the second part, that is the soil 18-in-1 sensor, monitor temperature, EC, salinity, NPK, pH. And that is also the soil 18-in-1 sensor. And the last part, that is also the data logger, which can store the date by this USB disk. Okay, that is the basic introduce of the whole system. If you have a problem, and here there is a resolve soil 18-in-1 sensor. If anyone is broken, and you can change it. Okay, and here is the config tools. We will send you a free RS45 to USB connector, and that is the cable to connect the soil sensor with the connector to your PC end. Okay, that is the spare parts. That is basic introduce of the whole system. If you have a problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.